guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'll be showing you this easy rubber band jumbo twist. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, so my hair is already washed, moisturized. I already parted my hair into 28 pieces, guys. I'm using this Super X TZ 60 braiding hair, and this is 3 bundles in one pack, and I used 2 packs, guys. It's pre-stretched. I love this hair because it's already pre-stretched. I got this from my local beauty supply, but if I find it online, I'll put the link in the description below. Just parting the hair just the way it came, and using this Shine and Jam some rubber band. I'm taking the rubber bands out first and then just combing it using my brush, and then I'm just using the Shine and Jam just to make sure the parts look really nice and crisp, And then I'm just parting the hair in the center right there, just in the middle, just parting it into 2. And then I'll just take the hair, the braiding hair, and put it right there, like right in the center. So when I place it in the middle, I'm just taking the rubber band and securing it. So you can secure it as tight as you want, but I usually just secure it like 3 to 4 times, just to make sure the rubber band is nice and secure. So that's what I'm doing right there, guys. So just parting the hair and then placing the braiding hair in the center and using the rubber band to secure, just pulling it a little bit just to tag it, just to make sure it's nice and secure, and then just start twisting down. As I go down, I get to where my hair ends, I actually tuck it in, okay? Tuck the hair into the braiding hair, if that makes sense. Just because my hair is coarser, but if your hair is not that coarse, it's like the same texture with the braiding hair, it's not gonna show. The twisting pattern should be going the opposite direction, guys. That way, even if you let it go, it is not going to unravel. So that's the secret of how I twist, and it stays, guys. Also, when you get down there, make sure you tie a knot at the end because you do not want them to unravel. Yeah, sis, so this style is very easy, very beginner friendly. You don't have to do much, just some, rubber bands and braiding hair and some Shine and Jam. But you can use any other gel that you guys like, okay? When you do this technique, your hair is protected. You're not twisting all the way from the root, and your hair does not have as much tension as, just twisting it straight from the root. Actually, somebody was asking me if I can do like a video of how I part my hair, and that I would do that too, girl. But I just wanted this video to be not to be too long. That's why I already parted my hair, as you guys can see. If you cannot braid, this is a perfect method for you guys to use. As I'm showing you right there, you twist and turn. So making sure you're twisting both sides of the braiding hair, guys. So if you twist one side, it's just going to unravel. That's the thing. But if you twist both sides, it's going to be nice and, secure. Thank you so much for the love on my Senegalese twist tutorial, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys rock. Have you guys subscribed to my channel? Subscribe, sis. Make sure you hit the notification button so you do not miss any uploads, sis. Okay. You can use as much Shine and Jam as you want, but I feel like if you use too much gel, it's gonna have like that white crusty stuff, Make sure you're careful because you don't want to do all this and then you end up having like white stuff all over your hair. Okay, sis? can actually achieve this in like 2 hours, 2.5, you know, like by yourself looking good, girl. You only have to spend what, like $10 to get the hair? That's it. Girl, I'll do that any single day, okay? So this technique, guys, took me 1 hour, 20 minutes to get it done. And I got this done and I was out the door. Like, listen, sis, it's not too hard to do. It's actually very easy. Like anybody, beginner friendly, anybody can achieve this look, guys. Let me know if you guys are feeling this jumbo, you know, twist. Like my hair was struggling. So I was like, sis, I'm gonna hook you up real quick in 1 hour, 20 minutes, and we were done. Okay. So as you guys can see, I'm using the rubber bands. You know, I'm tying 3-4 times. You can tie as many times as you want. Just, you know, a little tug on the bottom, just making sure it's nice and secure. As you guys can see, I am tucking the hair in right there in the front. I just wanted to show you guys. And then I start twisting all the way down. So this technique works very well. As you guys can see, you can't really tell where my hair ends. Even though my hair is really coarse, you cannot tell where it ends. I also did my Senegalese twist, you know, the usual way, how we do it. So you guys can check that video out, and I'll put it in the description below as well. You guys can check it out right here, up here, as well as in the description, guys. So yeah, guys, so this is it. And I decided to do like a side part, but you know, I like this hair because you can part it anywhere. So yeah, sis. I decided to do this style because a lot of people were telling me, okay, Tupo, we like your Senegalese twist, but we can't braid. I can't braid for nothing. And I was like, sis, I got you. You can also achieve this look by actually just using the rubber bands. And also, if you have like 4C hair like me, you might need to add some more gel as you're going along, you know, as you're twisting your hair down. Tying it like 3-4 times. You can tie it as much as you want, but just to make sure it's not too tight. As you guys can see from my scalp, it's not like too tight. There's still room. If you don't know how to do the braiding technique, I recommend you to do this rubber band technique because it does not affect your hair that much as just twisting it from the bottom, okay, like from the roots. Like the easiest hairstyle I have ever done, guys. Like so easy. And I just love that they're so light because it's just like 28 twists in here. As I'm telling you guys, it looks really knotless on the bottom. And you can just stretch them out when you're done, you know, just to make sure they're nice and straight. And, you know, you can't forget your baby hairs, sis. I'm just using this brush that I got from Amazon. You already know by now. And I'm using my Eco Styling Gel just to, you know, just to give it a little oomph, you know, here and there. And just moisturizing my scalp using my coconut oil, guys. And make sure you moisturize your scalp. It's very important to moisturize your scalp when you get your braids done. That way you do not get dandruff, you don't get itchy. Anyway, I'm just massaging my scalp and I'm gonna get my makeup done, and that's it, sis. Look at that, 28 twists in your hair. I am here for it. I'm so happy with how they came out. Let me know if you guys like this. This is a very easy, you know, method of how you can achieve this twist. Thank you so much for watching. You know, please subscribe to my channel. Get your girl to 50K. Oh my gosh, guys, we are at 47K. Woo woo! 50K, here we go. This is just a perfect size that I was going for. And look at the length, honey. It's nice and long. I do not put my hair in hot water when I'm done. I just tie little tiny knots. They do not unravel. Anyway, sis, thank you so much for watching my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.